We spent several tutorials going over third declension nouns, but there are some special members of this group that need some additional explanation. One of the most important ones when reading the classical authors is the word vis, which means strength, power, force, or violence. Oppidum per vim occupat. He seizes the town by force. Latin grammar says that this feminine word is lacking genitive and dative forms because such forms have never been found in any author, and because of that it is called defective. In place of the missing forms, Latin substitutes another word which is rarely used in the nominative. The word is robur roboris, a neuter noun which goes back to vis in all the other cases. This word takes the meaning of strength, power, force in the singular and troops in the plural. Here is the full, very strange declension. Vis, roboris, robori, vim, vi. Vires, virium, viribus, vires, viribus. We have to make sure that we do not confuse this word with a similar second declension masculine word meaning man, vir, viri. That word declines very differently. Vir, viri, viro, virum, viro in the singular, and then in the plural, viri, virorum, viris, viros, viris. The Latin word for Jupiter is also irregular. The nominative is nothing but the result of a contraction from the genitive base plus the word pater, meaning father. Jo plus pater equals Jupiter, meaning Jupiter or Jove, the Roman version of Zeus, the Greek king of the gods. The other cases are Jovis, Jovi, Joem, Joe, Jupiter. The word bos can be masculine or feminine, whether referring to an ox or a cow, and declines this way. Bos, bovis, bowi, boem, boe, bos. Bois, boum, bulbus or bubus, boes, bulbus or bubus, boes. Now let's mention some third declension singularia tantum, which are nouns that, because of their specific meaning, are usually only found in the singular. Senectus, senectutis. Sanguis, sanguinis. Sitis, sitis. Ver, veris. Vesper, vesperis. Pietas, pietatis. Lac, lactis. Nectar, nectaris. The third declension also has collective nouns. These nouns have a plural idea, but they are grammatically singular, just like in the second declension, where we saw populus, populi, meaning population. We will now see more words that are used with verbs in the singular. Plebs, plebis. Proles, prolis. On the other hand, we also have pluralia tantum, which don't have a singular form. Moenia, moenium. Ilia, ilium. Viscera, viscerum. Saturnalia, saturnalium. Alpes, alpium. And to finish, let's check out some nouns that have a different meaning in the plural than they do in the singular. Finis, finis, end, but fines, finium, territory. Ops, opis, help, but opes, opum, riches. sal, salis, salt, but sales, salium, intellectual acuteness. Sors, sortis, fate, but sortes, sortium, oracular response. Let's check comprehension.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Support me on Patreon so I can keep making content. And as always, feel free to email me, ProfessorDaveExplains@gmail.com.